morning, guys. Ohayo gozaimasu. How are you? Our topic for today is about how to ask question to a stranger in Japanese language. Number 1 question is, where is the toilet? Excuse me, where is the toilet? Is, sumimasen, toire wa doko desu ka? Or, sumimasen, o te arai wa doko desu ka? Sumimasen, o te arai wa doko desu ka? Number 2 question is, where is a taxi stand? Or, where is the taxi stand? In Japanese is, sumimasen, taxi noriba wa doko desu ka? Or, sumimasen, taxi noriba wa doko ni arimasu ka? Number 3 question. Excuse me, is there a convenience store near here? In Japanese, この近くにコンビニはありますか? この近くにコンビニはありますか? Number 4 question is how to ask for a bus in Japanese. For example, you want to go to the Buddha, or you want to go to the Kamakura Buddha. Excuse me, which is the bus for Kamakura Daibutsu? Kamakura Buddha? In Japanese is, sumimasen, Kamakura Daibutsu iki no bus wa dore desu ka? Or, sumimasen, Kamakura Daibutsu no bus wa doko desu ka? Number 5 question is, where is the entrance? In Japanese is, iriguchi wa doko desu ka? Sumimasen, iriguchi wa doko desu ka? Number 6 question is, where is the entrance? Sumimasen, iriguchi wa doko desu ka? Sumimasen, iriguchi wa doko desu ka? Number 7 question is, excuse me, where is the exit? In Japanese is, sumimasen, deguchi wa doko desu ka? Sumimasen, deguchi wa doko desu ka? Thank you.